In this question, it is given that considering only the principal values of inverse trigonometric functions, the value of this is. It is clear that otherwise it seems to be a difficult question, but if you note it carefully, that it is easier for us to convert the whole question in terms of root 2 upon pi. That is, if you see this thing, this can be written as root 2 upon pi whole square upon root 2 upon pi whole square plus 1, and this can be written as root 2 upon pi upon root 2 upon pi whole square plus 1. That is, here I have divided the numerator denominator by pi square, and here already root 2 upon pi is there. Yes, agreed that I could bring the question in the form of pi by root 2 also. That is, bring 2 in the denominator and this becomes 1 plus pi by root 2 whole square, 1 plus pi by root 2 whole square. That is, the whole thing can be converted to the form of pi by root 2 also, no problem. But you must be knowing that in all the inverse trigonometric formulas, when x lies between 0 and 1, least problem arise. Slightly more difficult are the questions when we have to deal with the values of x belonging to minus 1 to 1, and even more difficulties arise when we have to deal with the questions of x more than 1 or x less than minus 1, and that is why I am preferring to bring root 2 upon pi, because this lies between 0 and 1. This is more than 1, hence we'll have to keep this condition in mind that pi by root 2 is more than 1. But by bringing in this form, I will be facing least problem. That is why I'm bringing the whole question in terms of root 2 upon pi. And now write this question as 3 by 2 cos inverse under root 2 upon pi whole square upon root 2 upon pi whole square plus 1 plus 1 by 4 sine inverse 2 root 2 upon pi root 2 upon pi whole square plus 1 plus tan inverse root 2 upon pi. This is equal to, and because again and again I will have to write root 2 upon pi, therefore it is better to write root 2 upon pi by some symbol. Say, let us take root 2 upon pi as x, and therefore the question becomes 3 by 2 cos inverse under root x square upon 1 plus x square plus 1 by 4 sine inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square plus tan inverse x. That is 3 by 2 cos inverse x upon under root 1 plus x square plus 1 by 4. You must be knowing that this is equal to 2 tan inverse x. In the case when x lies between -1 and 1, then only this formula is applicable. And here x is lying between 0 and 1, therefore I can write it. Plus tan inverse x. And if board level inverse trigonometry is clear to you, it's not difficult to see that this is equal to cot inverse x. Plus you must have studied this thing in board level that to convert cos inverse into cot inverse, we proceed in this way. Cot inverse x upon under root. Let us take it is equal to theta. It means cos theta is x upon under root 1 plus x square, that is using triangle, it is x, it is under root, hence it becomes 1. This angle is theta, and from here I can easily say that cot theta is x upon 1, that is theta equal to cot inverse x, that is cos inverse of x upon under root 1 plus x square is equal to cot inverse x. I have proved it, but when you are doing the questions of JEE Advanced, this thing should be very much clear to you. You should be able to write this as cot inverse x directly, and this is 3 by 2 cot inverse x plus, that is 3 by 2 into pi by 2, that is the answer is 3 pi by 4, and taking the value of pi as approximately 3.14, 3 pi by 4 is 3 into 3.14 by 4, that is it is equal to 2.355, and using the rules to round off, we get it equal to 2.36.